Alright guys, this is going to be a second video in the tutorial set. It's basically just me playing the game and then talking. That's the only way I know how to do this further. It's really hard to narrow it down to one thing when there's so many different aspects and so many different maps to just go over. But yeah, it's basically like a diary. I get pissed a lot because people are not on objective, and well, enjoy. Of course, we got frontline. It's tug of war, so we're gonna pick a light. Well, it's probably already started, but so we probably won't pick a light one, but usually would pick a light one, and we're actually not doing good. Oh, our team's out of reinforcement, so it's not like I can even do anything. But this is a good learning opportunity. You can look at the map. You know, your X and Y axis. You got A through H, 1 through 8, and that's basically your grids. If you're getting shot from somewhere and you don't know where it's from, you can easily just say, okay, say northwest corner, grid E4. Somebody else can look at the map and then kind of discern from there whereabouts the fire is coming from, or know at least to look out for it from that direction.
They just destroyed Alpha!
There's the fucking sniper left.
Everyone always blames the sniper at the end, but really, it's his job to kind of like provide support. So he's not really supposed to be on site unless it's absolutely necessary. So like, see, like now I'm gonna go with, oh, where's my skirmish one, or frontline? Frontline's another one. All right, so see, I got my build, and that's what I'm gonna go in there with. Light build.
I'm here to fuck the shit up.
Yes.
Get ready!
Downstairs.
Inimigo pelas ruínas da esquerda.
Oh, frag.
There, grenade.
Always check your ammo. No observer. So first thing we're gonna do is be observer.
Hey.
I'm gonna go with this one. We'll stick with this loadout and see what happens. I mean, I just left this game, so I'm pretty sure it saves what kind of setting you had on each gun last time you used it. That's a popular spot. People like to hang out behind that wall on crossing, especially with insurgents. Another spot is over here. I'm talking to game chat, and I don't know why. Another spot is over here on the right hand side of these rocks. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll smoke. Oh, never mind. Fail. They're on top of the rocks though.
Tem sniper me marcando.
So what is that? That's
No reinforcements! Observer, it's time for fire support!
hey, an F4 on that dirt trail. They have a guy camping.
There's a sniper camping on the west side.
That's the enemy side.
Are they like up?
Hey, you're gonna have to. You were running out in the open right there. I don't.
Tem sniper, tem cara de rifle, tudo me marcando aqui.
Right here!
Hey, wait! Station, this is Observer requesting a gun run. And
Oh,
this
I don't have a
target
mask on.
got
Oh
it.
well.
Observer, this is station. It's time to play. Get ready.
Okay, I need to reload! Hey, someone's down!
Nice.
Sometimes there'll be people on those rocks over there. That's where I usually set up if I'm sniping.
indo, mas deixa eu pegar aquele sniper que me matou primeiro aqui.
I don't think I'll be able to spot him before he spots me. That's another thing. Whenever you get down to 0 waves, the map opens up, and the enemy team can actually push forward, and get on your side without having the penalty put on them.
Send assassin to attack this position.
O cara tá em cima da montanha,
Observer,
velho. Na
get the
moral.
gunship over here. We're gonna need it.
Observer, this is station. Copy that. Gunship inbound.
That's another thing. Playing Observer, you definitely want to hide until you call everything in. That way it doesn't cancel out the call, and they're not looking for another Observer.
This is assassin.
Oh, now we're talking.
Tu consegue ver a montanha? É no meio aqui, atrás da A. Ele correu por causa do helicóptero.
All right, go, get moving.
Alright, good spot on this map for a heavy gunner.
Smartphone,
It's
Galaxy Box.
right in this general area. You can, I mean, that's the point of your gunner. You're supposed to camp, for sure. So, I mean, this is always a good spot. You know, they can't flank you right here off to the side, and you can get all kinds of people going into OBJ. I don't know what's going on and why he appeared out of nowhere, but it is what it is. Play the fucking objective. That's the biggest lesson that you need to learn is play the fucking objective. That's bullshit. They should have been on that. Is there a reason why we're pushing them?
Good forward defense number.
Yeah, but not whenever they already got 7 waves. That's a good thing to talk about too right now. Smokes in this game are propagated client side. They're not propagated server side. So just because you have smoke on your screen in a certain way, it might not look like that on their screen. That's another thing, they can see your lasers, so I turned mine off.
Get on B.
I'm the only one on B, so we lost it. Yeah, I'm the only one on B. You guys need to get the fuck on the point.
Get on B, get on B, get on B.
It's too late, we lost it. Yeah, I could have told you we were gonna lose it.
Moving.
Stop fucking losing them!
This is another popular spot, even on defense. Whenever security's up here, security will actually sit up here and snipe you from this way. Which right now, I'm gonna swap around. I'm gonna shoot at them from this way. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.